We're burning daylight. Let's get going here. Let's get the job done. You know, let's don't stand here and talk about it. Let's don't stand here and philosophize about it. Let's get out here and let's get it done.
Retrain your brain right now to stop thinking about failing and start thinking about succeeding.
Everyone in this room is in a position to show integrity. You can work a business deal, you can lead a company, and you can have lots of success while carrying integrity as your number one goal.
You can't just tell people what to do, you have to do it.
I'm Blain Wease, founder and host of the Nashville Leadership Luncheon. I'd like to invite you to attend our next leadership event at the Bridgestone Arena. Each spring and fall, entrepreneurs, senior-level executives from both the for-profit and nonprofit worlds, and those that aspire to be in leadership roles gather at the Bridgestone Arena for a first-class experience.
Never stop learning. Continue to invest in yourself. Continue to try to get better. Remember your values, remember who you are and what you stand for.
You will go so much farther in life than coming up with 100 reasons why you shouldn't. And many of us get stuck in life because we just don't ask.
You have to lead yourself, what are leaders? Influencers. What are influencers? Very consistent.
Once you do that, you have to do what you think is right.
Attendees can expect to meet some like-minded people, enjoy some fabulous food, along with some warm Southern hospitality. This is a unique opportunity in a dynamic environment that offers real leadership tools that go to work for you as soon as you do. The event features compelling presentations addressing a specific aspect of leadership that the speaker has mastered and what that's looked like along their leadership journey. We also feature a panel discussion about the application of the leadership theme from that particular event.
You know, I could go solve a lot of things and say, hey, just do this, but then I'm not doing my job in the big picture and the communication. So some of that is putting 2 or 3 people together and say, here's our problem to solve. How would you do it?
You have to exceed expectations. Just think about that. In your own business, in your own life, you have to exceed expectations.
Our commitment is to deliver powerful content, prominent speakers, purposeful connections, and a valuable experience.